In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Google Chrome's Safe Search on or off. Safe Search is a handy feature provided by Google that can help filter out explicit content from your search results. This is particularly useful if you're a parent wanting to ensure a safer online environment for your children, or if you simply prefer to avoid encountering adult material while browsing. Let's dive right into the process, which is straightforward and quick. First, open your Google Chrome browser and head over to Google's homepage by typing google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to locate the Settings option, which you can usually find in the lower right or upper right corner of the page, depending on your view and browser version. Click on Settings to proceed. After clicking on Settings, you will see a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to select Search Settings. This option will direct you to a new page dedicated to various Google search preferences. It's worth noting that altering these settings will affect search results across all Google products, not just those on Chrome. So it's a universal change when you're logged into your Google account. On this Search Settings page, you'll find a section labeled Safe Search Filters. This is the area where you can toggle the Safe Search feature on or off. To do this, simply look for the checkbox next to Turn on Safe Search. If you want to enable the feature, ensure this box is checked. Conversely, if you want to disable Safe Search and allow all types of results, make sure the checkbox is unchecked. Once you've made your choice, it's crucial to save your settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the blue Save button. This will confirm your new preference, ensuring that your filter settings are updated for all future searches. This simple action helps you manage your browsing experience in a way that suits your needs. That's all it takes to control the Safe Search feature in Google Chrome. It's a simple yet powerful tool for filtering content. Remember, these settings can be changed at any time, giving you flexibility and control over your browsing environment. Whether you're a parent looking out for little ones or just someone who prefers cleaner search results, Safe Search can be a valuable aid. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you navigate and customize your Google search experience more effectively. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Have a great day and happy browsing.